Wrote that, man, you know what I'm saying, straight from the mind, you dig, you know what I'm saying. I got a chopper in my mind and I let it loose with my fingers. You dig that, you know what I'm talking about. My mind is an AK-47 clip. You dig, so I go crazy.
I don't think you probably introduced the record black, so I'm out to help you, man, because you let it slide out there like, oh, yo, Chico the ball, blah, blah, and then boom, put go with it. I think we need to really you know.
Do that.
Okay, so,
Kill up.
You know what I'm saying? I think you really need to focus.
Just come on.
I think you need,
Hey, I gotta introduce this record here, y'all. There's some heat right here coming from Florida. We in the ATL, y'all.
Hey, no. This from Atlanta.
Level, boy.
This Atlanta music. This Atlanta music. This Atlanta music. This. I'm from Summer Hill. Let's get this Georgia. I'm not no Migo, no Young Thugger, no none of that. Boy, I'm straight from Summer Hill. Believe that. I'm the first artist that's bringing the real deal back, man. I got Chico the Barge on my track. If you find another artist that got Chico on there or Legend on their track right now,
I'm gonna tell y'all something. He bringing 2016 with a new style, y'all. Check the flavor out. Summer Hill in the building, baby. Bitch.
Yeah.
Radio. Salute. All right.